Greetings to all. I hope everybody's doing well. As we all know, COP27, the Antichrist was crowned. And today I'm going to read you a message from John Leary from our Lord, dated December 10th, 22. Jesus said, "My son, I'm showing you the Antichrist has already received his crown in Egypt, and he will be gathering power from the one world people who are giving him control over some continental unions." John Leary had asked our Lord about Antichrist if his time is running out. So Jesus said in response, "It is true that the Antichrist is limited before I will bring my victory over him. This means he will be forced to hurry up and the events that will give him power over America." So I won't say his name. B has been put in power to bring America down, and he will bring more events down with his executive order. Be aware of this event, which will speed up because of limited time for the Antichrist and the false prophet. And also, I would like to mention that I'm not sure if everybody knows, but our Lord is preparing a refuge worldwide for his people in the end times for the 3.5 years, if not shorter, during the Great Tribulation. So when our Lord calls us and gives us warning to go to the refuge, he will direct us through his angels. We have to be ready to go. If we delay, the enemies will come and capture us and take us to FEMA camp. So if you don't want that to happen, always be prepared and ready to leave. When the angel says leave, leave. You have 20 minutes to leave. Okay, so Jesus said, "Be ready to come to my refuge when I will warn you. My angels will protect my faithful and they will multiply your needs." And now also our Lord is talking about how the cabal is preparing digital dollar. And B's executive order, which is 14067. Okay, so the message is dated December 7th, 22. There will come times when America will be run like the days of Hitler as communist country. You will soon have your money turned into digital dollar when you will need to give loyalty to the Antichrist, or you will not be able to buy or sell anything. And now the Lord is speaking about how the cabal is introducing the digital dollar. This is dated December 22. Jesus said, "My people, you have heard about some people who wants to change the money system over to the digital dollar. This was first headed for the start in December, but now it is being pushed off back until July 2023. The Masons and the bankers want time for 12 weeks of experimenting how the digital dollar will be conducted. There will be restrictions on this new money that will allow the one world people to cancel your accounts if you do not go along with their takeover plans. This is part of the Great Reset to give power over the people to the Antichrist. These one world people wants to control over the digital dollar. They also want to force the mark of the beast on everyone so they can control buying your groceries, how much fuel you can have, and control of your traveling. Without any ability to buy things, your best choice is to come to my refuge of angels' protection. You will need to trust in me for your food and your protections. Once the Antichrist declares himself, he will try to control everyone's life. Come to my refuge for all your needs." So basically, what our Lord is telling us is we don't really have time left. Guys, we don't have time left. We have to step out of the world and prepare our heart to receive our Lord. Jesus is coming soon. Okay. And we have to prepare mentally, physically, and spiritually. Okay. And we need to prepare with basic essential items. If you can, try to buy 3 month worth of water, non-perishable food, medicine, and you can even start your own gardening. And if you have money, you can buy gold and silver. for bartering, the exchange of goods. So, guys, we don't have much time left, so we have to prepare now. Okay, there is no time left. It's getting darker by the day. So, until next time, God bless you.